Hello, I'm Nick Best, and I've been involved in the Morpeth Farmers Market since it's one way or another since its inception.
Now, it's a bit of a special day for the market today. Tell us what's happening.
Yeah, this month is our 20th anniversary. The market was first established by Castle Morpeth Borough Council in November 1999. So 20 years, and here we are.
And how did it get started? What was the initiative to start with?
Well, there'd been one or two farmers markets down in the southwest a couple of years before that, and then within 3 months of each other's, Morpeth, Alnwick and Hexham farmers markets got established. The Morpeth Farmers Market was the only council-led one. That was Castle Morpeth Borough Council.
And how much of the market was actually involving farmers, and how much was other traders?
Well, this is a classic thing. Why is it called a farmers market? Farmers market just means that the people selling are producing their own product. So we have some farmers like Jimmy Bell and Ian Byatt who have been here since the very first market. But then we've got other people who take their own photographs, paint their own paintings, bake their own cakes, bake their own bread. So we've got they're all producers, and therefore they're eligible to attend the farmers market.
Now, have there been ups and downs over those 20 years?
We've had one or two ups and downs. When we first started, we were held on a Sunday morning in the town hall, and so we were a bit tight for space, although we did manage to get something like 30 stalls for one Christmas market in the town hall. Then when the flood came, we moved out onto the marketplace and switched to a Saturday. So from 2008, we've been on the marketplace on the first Saturday of every month. Then we had the foot and mouth, of course, and so I think all the farmers markets in the region stopped for about 9 months, but we've recovered from that.
Now, you mentioned a couple of traders that you've had since the very beginning. I mean, have many come and gone?
Oh, we've had a fair few, and it's been a launch pad for a number of people, businesses. Doddington Dairies started off in the farmers markets. The Northumberland Cheese Company started off in the farmers markets, and they've gone on to bigger and better things. And we've got new people coming on all the time, and we're still looking for new traders. So, yes, some people have kept going from the very beginning, but we like to see a turnover of people. And of course, some people have gone on to the Wednesday market to make the Wednesday market distinctive.
And how do you think this market compares with other farmers markets up and down the country?
Well, I can only really say about what the other farmers markets in the northeast, and we did a couple of years ago down to about 12 farmers markets in the northeast, and now we're up to around about 18, 20, but this is probably one of the best ones.
And how do you see the future of the market in Morpeth?
I think it's promising. As long as we have the council support, we've got a good partnership between the council, the county council, the town council, and Sanderson Arcade, and that's going strongly. And as long as people want the market here, the farmers market and the Wednesday market, it'll keep going.
Hello, I'm Jimmy Bell, the Lamb Man. I've been trading here at Morpeth Farmers Market for the last 20 years. It's our 20th anniversary, and it's really good to be here.
Tell us a little bit about how important the farmers market is to your business.
Well, it is my business now, really. We're now trading with selling lamb. We knew we had a good product years ago, and I retrained as a butcher and a farmer. Generations of Bell family have farmed here, farmed in the area. We've sold cattle on this marketplace for over 400 years.
So, how does, I assume that you do other markets as well, how does Morpeth compare to the other ones that you go to?
It's good, still a traditional market. We used to do markets in Blythe and Ponteland, but Morpeth's still going strong. I go to Kelso as well, but I have a lot of now goes through the internet, through my website, and I sell lamb all over the country through thelambman.com, and that's really good. And so we're getting a good price for our product, but we're fair. We're not, it's a sensible price is what we need. Yeah.
And what do you see for the future of markets like this?
It brings people to the town. People got to realise the markets are important. People like to poke around the towns, and you can't buy this sort of stuff on Amazon or that sort of carry on, and it keeps a market town thriving. And Sanderson Arcade have done really well to develop Morpeth. Morpeth's still a lovely. If you go to Hexham or you go to Alnwick and what have you, those towns are dying with out of town shopping centres and new supermarkets out there, and it spoils the centre of the town. People like to socialise and come and meet there.
I think the market's had its ups and downs over its 20 years, but where would you see it in 20 years' time?
I don't know whether I'll still be here in 20 years' time, I don't know. But I used to trade around the car park where the bus station was, and we had such a fight to actually get the council to agree to having the market back on the marketplace. But it is thriving, it's good, even the Wednesday market. You know, you have your good days and your bad days. But there's some, the old market, I was lucky enough to be here with the old market traders when they started up as well, that have been trading, you know, for 20, 30 years before me as well. And they're a good bunch, a hardy bunch normally that come out, and it's good fun as well.